Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilochan. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we had discussed global variables, local variables and non-local variables in Python, right? In this tutorial, we'll discuss what is modules in Python. Not only that, we'll create and import custom modules in Python. And we'll understand different ways to import and use custom and built-in modules in Python, right? So we have discussed how functions can be reused in programming, right? We can define and call the function within a single Python file, but imagine you have a function which is in another Python file and wants to use that function in the current program or file. How do you do that? Yes, we have a solution for that. We can import that file and we can use that function also. Here, that Python file called modules in Python. Understand? So a file containing Python code, for example codingx.py, this is Python file, right? And this is called a module, and its module name would be a codingx. We use modules to break down large programs into small, manageable and organized files. Furthermore, modules provide reusability of code as function provides, as we discussed in functions tutorial, right? We can define our most used function in a module and import it instead of copying their definitions into different programs. Let's see the example here. I have already created one codingx.py file. Here I have defined one function, that profile, and which take the 4 parameters: first name, last name, email and mobile. And this name and address is a name and you can say variable, global variable for this file. Okay, but let's see how we can import this codingx.py in other file, thus module.py, and access all the functions and these attributes. So here we can use import keyword to access this codingx.py. So here it is, codingx. Okay, so I have imported this codingx module using import codingx. Okay, so here let me check this function is accessible or not. So let me write simple codingx dot, here it is, the profile function. Okay, so we can call this profile function with the variable, the parameters is first name, last name, email and mobile. So you can write down here different. So first name is mine, Trilochan, last name is Farida, name, third one is email. So similarly you can write here email, Trilochan @gmail.com. Similarly last one is mobile number, right? So here you can write your mobile number, anything. Okay, so let's save it and execute this one. Here it is, Python 3 modules.py. Here it is. If you run this one, it is first name Trilochan and this is executed. Okay, so similarly we can import the, here you import the definition or you imported the function. Similarly you can import the same name. Here it is. Let's execute codingx dot name. So you have to print it. So here we can make a print statement and print it. Okay, so similarly just execute again. Here it is. This is the function. Okay, and this Trilochan Farida is name here. Okay, so this is how you can import a module in your program. Okay, so let's see how you can import a multiple statement like here. So within a parameter here you dot coding x. From coding x you can import particular name here or attribute here. From coding x import, you can write import name. Okay, so here you can directly write down name. Let's comment this. Here it is. Let's execute. Here it is, the Trilochen Parida. Okay, so it means you don't need a dot operator now. So similarly, if you want to import all the attributes here, you can put it here star, import star. Okay, so here we have two attributes like print name, print address. Right, here it is, we have address here. So let's print this one. Let's execute and see the result. So here it is. So Trilochen Parida and address is India. So similarly, you can import all the attributes, right? So another more thing is that let's execute for the one inbuilt function, inbuilt module. So inbuilt module is one is there, that is math, right? Import math. Here it is. So let's see how is the result. So you can also name as a suppose as m. So now you can write down here print m dot there is a function pi, that's your attribute one pi. Let's print this one. There it is. It will give you the pi value. Okay, so it's imported math module and you renamed as a m and m dot pi. Similarly, you can import math or math all the attributes. Similarly, here you can write from math, right, import pi. Here it is. So you can directly write down here pi. So see the result here. Here it is, the same result. So if you want to multiple, then you can write down here this comma this. So write down here, you can also write down the e. Let's see the result. Here it is, the e value. Okay, so one more thing I will tell you here. So if you don't know how to use the different function and attributes in a different modules, so one built-in function is there, directory, dir. So you can fetch all the details about that modules. Suppose we have here math modules, right? So first import this one, import math. So here you can print it, the directory of that math. So directory or all the attributes and functions will be listed here. Okay, so let's see the example here. So print directory math. So let's execute. Here you can see all the attributes here and all the functions are listed. Okay, similarly our custom modules is coding x, right? Here it is coding x, and if you want to know all the directories, all the functions and attributes, you can also know by these functions. Okay, so let's execute it. Here it is, the built-in sketch doc, and our function is one profile, right? And these two attributes were defined, and these are the by default it is Python name is there. Okay, so if you want to execute the name of these direct modules, you can use these attributes. Like here, if you want to the name of this module, right? So dot, here it is. These attributes, these are default attributes are there, built-in attributes. So here you can execute this one to result the coding X. This is the module name of that part you are want to print it. So this is all about modules in Python. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.